Hello, in this video we are talking about distance between 2 points, and we are going to be using a formula to find the distance between 2 points. For example, if we are given 2 points A with coordinate x1, y1 and B with coordinates x2, y2, the distance between these 2 points AB will equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. As a matter of fact, the order doesn't matter. You can start with x1, then x2. So this is the formula to find the distance between 2 points. So let's look at an example that find the distance between point A35 and B28. So to find the distance between these 2 points, we shall first label them, that this is our x1 and that is y1, this is x2 and this is y2, and substituting into the formula we've just looked at, this one, we shall be having AB being equal to the square root of 2 minus 3 squared, then plus 8 minus 5 squared, and that will give us the square root of 2 minus 3 is negative 1 squared plus 8 minus 5 is 3 squared. So we shall be having the square root of negative 1 squared plus 3 squared is 10. So this one is our answer, units, since we are talking about distance. Then we can look at the second example, which says that consider the points A, B, and C with their coordinates given. Determine if the triangle ABC is equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. Given our points, we know equilateral triangles, all sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, only 2 sides are equal. And scalene triangle, none of the side is equal to the other. So we are going to find the distance between AB, between BC, and then SC. So after getting these distances, we shall see which one is equal to the other. So to find AB, that is the square root of 2 minus negative 2 squared plus 1 minus 0 squared. And 2 minus negative 2 is 4 squared, which is 16. And then 1 minus 0 is 1 squared, which is 1. So that will be the square root of 17. That is for AB. Then to find BC, that will be 1 minus 2 squared plus -3 minus 1 squared. 1 minus 2 is -1 squared, it is 1. And then this gives us a 4. It is also a square root of 17. And then to find SC, use 1 minus -2 squared -3 minus 0 squared, which is, this one is a 3 squared, which gives us a 9, and this one is also 9. So that will be the square root of 18. So we can see that it's only two sides equal, so our final answer will be that that triangle with these coordinates is an isosceles triangle. Thank you.